Every 2 to 3 weeks, as your nail grows, you can backfill the new growth area without removal. Using the Attain cuticle pusher, gently push back the skin to expose the regrowth area. Using the scraper side, remove the dead tissue and debris. Shape and/or shorten the nail as needed with the Attain metal nail file. You can also use nail clippers to shorten before filing. Use the rougher side of the nail file to etch the regrowth area and remove any residual debris. The new regrowth should now be etched and old product blended. File the old product as needed to refine and remove bulk. Clean the nail using a nail wipe and Attain Clean Cleanser. The new nail growth will look chalky, scratchy, and dry, just like in the full nail prep tutorial. Maintaining the original Attain strength overlay and backfilling only new growth helps prevent damage and thinning. Using Attain adhesion, apply a thin coating to the entire nail surface, including the original product. Cure the nail for 60 seconds in the Attain nail lamp. Apply another layer of Attain adhesion with a bit more product this time. Use lighter pressure to deposit product. Do not cure. Leave the gel wet to apply Attain strength to the regrowth area. Place the finger over the jar and sprinkle a small amount of Attain strength over the entire wet gel surface. Tap off the excess back into the jar. Cure the nail for 60 seconds in the Attain nail lamp. Clean the nail with a wipe and Attain Clean Cleanser. Pull away from the finger to avoid spreading residue on the skin. You now have a perfectly blended Attain strength backfill that covers your natural nail regrowth. For a stain-resistant finish, complete the nail with either Attain Matte or Attain Shine top coat. Apply a thin, even layer over the entire nail surface. Use the scraper side of the Attain cuticle pusher to remove any product on the skin. Cure in the Attain nail lamp for 60 seconds. Using a fresh nail wipe, clean the tacky residue with Attain Clean Cleanser. Congrats, you've just completed an Attain strength backfill and are ready for another 2 to 3 weeks of wear.